guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. I'm feeling a little bit more normal. I'm so excited. I'm just very tired because it's been a super long work week. So I just got home from work, but I have a haul from Michael's that I want to share with you guys. And everything that I purchased, I used all of my Christmas gift cards. I actually got like 3 or 4 gift cards from Michael's. One of them was actually sent to me from one of my subscribers, Diane. She was so sweet to send me a gift card for Christmas from Michael's. And when I got it, I was just so like surprised and so excited that she did that for me. So Diane, thank you so much. And then my godson joined us in the adult grab bag this year, and he gave me 2 gift cards to Michael's. And then I think I got another gift card from someone else. I can't remember. I think it's a family member. And yeah, so I bought a couple of things online that I was so excited to buy. So I'm going to share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. So the very first items that I'm going to share with you guys are the little planner books that I always get from Recollections. And I use these for my planners for when I make my traveler's notebooks. And I super love them. I'm obsessed with them. They are originally almost $8, and you get 3 books in 1 pack, and that's pretty expensive if you think about it. So anytime that I had to do like a traveler's notebook and I use those specific notebooks, I always use my coupons because $8 adds up and it's quite a lot. But online they had them on sale for $1.47. So you better believe I stocked up, and I'm actually going to try to go tomorrow to get a few more because $1.47 compared to $8, it's a really good deal. So if the weather is not insane like today, I'm gonna try to go get a few more, and then I should be good for like, you know, the next couple of months. But yeah, so let me show you guys. Here are the mini ones. As you guys can see, I got a lot of them. Now, when I went to the store, I didn't, it said online only, and this was the only print they had. But then when I went to the store, they had a shelf with a few of them, and those were on sale too, and I was like, oh my gosh. So that's why I ended up getting like the same print. I got 14 of them, but it's really cute because these are the unicorn ones. As you can see, you get the unicorn with the blue, and then you get the unicorn with the like mint green, and it says yay, and then you get the one with all the words. And then you get 1 little calendar book, 1 dotted book, and then 1 plain book. And I love these. You get 3 packs, and they each have 90 sheets, I believe. Right? I think so. But yeah, usually when I search for these online, I search under Lola Recollections books, and I actually did end up asking the cashier because I got scared, and I was like, oh my gosh, are these gonna be like, are you guys not gonna carry them anymore? Is that why they're on super clearance? And she's like, no, we're gonna get new ones. And I was like, oh my gosh, that was like music to my ears. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the new collection. But yeah, so I got 14 of these. And hopefully if I get to go to Michael's, I'm going to pick up a few more with the different prints if they still had them, because they have very few left. But yeah, and then I got the big ones. So I have made a couple of TNs in this size. This is like a standard size TN. And this one is the little, like it looks like the squad girl with the donuts. And then this one has like the little kittens, and all you need is donuts. So here's the calendar book, the grid dot, and then the plain book. And again, it's you get 3 different books, and I love this size so much. So I got 4 of these when I went to the store. These are actually $4, which is not bad because regular price, I think they're somewhere around $9.99. So yeah, that's a really good deal. So I got these. This one has like the donuts and the cake. This one has the pretzel and the I Am Totes cereal. So cute. And then I also got this one. This one's like a plant base. So you get like the pink marble, the cactus, and then the floral. And then this one is the So Fresh. You get the strawberry, the lemons, and the shiny with the sun. So I got 4 of these, and I'm going to do something very special with these. And then I also picked up a couple of Valentine's Day items. I picked up some ribbon. So here we are. This is some Happy Valentine's Day ribbon. I love the lettering on the Valentine's Day ribbon. I love the little hearts. So I picked that up. These weren't on sale. These were only like 30% off. So their Valentine's Day stuff is still kind of pricey. Regular price, these are $3.99 each, but I got them for somewhere around $2. And then here's this one. This one was super cute. It's the pink background with the red hearts. Absolutely love this. And then this one super drew my eye. This one is like a white, glossy, shiny, almost iridescent, a rose gold, and then a red. Super cute, fun Valentine's Day ribbons. I got a couple of stickers, and I'm going to start with these. These are the fun ones. I always look for like these kind of die cuts whenever they bring out a holiday collection or just any collections in general, because I love die cuts. I'm obsessed with die cuts. They're my favorite to decorate with. And this one has 2 of the cupcake, 2 of the balloon with the confetti, 2 with the all the feels word, 2 of the donuts, 2 of the hug hearts, 2 of the heart balloon, I love us, cutie with the heart, the little champagne glass, the 3 hearts, the love, and then the little champagne with the confetti coming out. So this one's really cute. Regular price was $5.99, but it was 30% off. Plus I had an extra coupon. So look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use those. And then these are the Valentine's Day foam stickers. These are the little like conversation hearts. You got the BFF, the Be Mine, the Cutie, and then the purple one is, looks like it says Mine or Pie, and then the yellow one. So these are really cute, fun to decorate with. I have the smaller versions, and I like the size of these, so super cute. I also got these super cute flowers. They're paper flowers, and they are again by the Recollections Valentine's Day collection. Look at how cute these are. You get different shades of pink and red, so you get the light pink, the darker pink, and then the red, and then they all have pearls in the middle. So cute. I can't wait to use those. I actually should have got 2 packs, but if I go again, maybe I'll get another pack. And then I got the one with the little banners. Look at how cute this is. This one says XOXO, Be Mine, Love, and Sweet. I thought this was super cute. This one's $5.99, but again, I got it on sale. And then I got this one right here. This is Valentine's Day foam stickers. This one says Love, Be Mine, Valentine's Day Heart. And then I'm not sure what the other 2 say, but they're so cute. Regular price $3.99, and again, they were like $1-ish, but I love that. And then I got these super cute felt hearts. I love these because they are layered and they are felt. I really love working with felt. And I love the colors, and I love the little scalloped edges. So I thought these were super cute. They were only $3. With the sale, they were like $1 something. Super, super cute. I love those. I also picked up from Target, I only picked up 2 little pom-pom trims. There's a Target by my job, and it's a lot smaller. It's like a mini Target, that's what they call it, and their bullseye section is very, very small. So they really didn't have a lot, so I just picked up these because you guys know I love me some pom-pom trim. This is the white and the coral pink. So that's all I got from Target. And then I got, of course, some Scotch adhesive tape for my ATG gun. I love the one with the yellow roll or the yellow label. It's the best one compared to the red one. I lost so much money using that red one, and then finally when I discovered the yellow, I fell super in love with it. So really, really cute. And then I also picked up 2 Happy Planner sticker books. I want to get into the Happy Planner, so little by little I'm going to start building my collection, and then once I'm ready to start in the Happy Planner, you know, area, then I will start. But look at how cute this is. This is a, is this the spring one? Yes, this is the spring theme, and then this is the summer theme, and it's so freaking cute. You get 736 stickers, and it's super, super pretty. I love the colors. I love the boxes. Look at how cute, and these have like little words. They're like little quotes. Love that. Look at how cute that rainbow is, the one with the alphas. Loving the ombre. Look at how cute the bunnies. I'm obsessed. I love the one with the bike. And then you get like a little St. Patrick's Day, Easter. I mean, look at how cute these are. Look at how cute that is. The bikes, the flowers are gorgeous. And then here, look at this rainbow. I'm obsessed. I'm trying to show you each page, and then you get some alphas and ombre colors. How pretty is that? This one's probably my favorite. Look at the rain boots. That is so cute. And then you get some little words. I love quotes. I love using quotes in my planner. These, obsessed. Super obsessed with these. And look at how cute. Then you get some like foiled ones. Super nice. And yeah, that's about it. Ah, I love this one so much. I thought I ordered 3, but I guess I must have left one in my cart because it didn't come. And then here's another one. This one is the summer theme. So you get, this one's like definitely California vibes. The flamingo, the 4th of July stars, the swimming pool with the beach balls. Oh, look at this one, the little truck. Oh my gosh, this one says "You be you" with the flamingo. The pineapple, oh my god, I can't wait to use this. So cute. So you get again some more quotes. Look at how fun that is. I love the color, like the colors are amazing. So cute. I love that they added the little icons to the boxes, because then I feel like you need less decor. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, I love it. And these were actually on sale on the website for $11.99. And on top of that, I had my coupon. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. That's everything that I got from Michael's using my Christmas gift cards. It felt so nice to shop a little bit. It's been a while since I bought something. But I'm so excited, and if I go to Michael's again, then I'll definitely do another haul. But in the meantime, I think these are the only books that I'm going to be going for because it's a really good deal. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul, and as always, if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are at 8,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot believe it. So thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and just being part of my planner family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!